So this is where we're doing the thumbnail in case you thought it was staged, because it's not.
3, 2, 1, trash!
Is there a head?
I don't know.
There might be a head. Hey everybody, welcome to Jason Explains Things. Every November I like to do a charity video leading up to the holidays, and this year is going to be the best one yet. We're going to be doing some public lands trail cleanup today with some awesome trucks and also awesome people. We got Chris, you got Nate from AEV, we've got 2 other guys here who are shy, who don't want to be on camera. They're also awesome. And we are going to be on the Washington Backcountry Discovery Route, Section 3, and we're gonna be getting all the trash that we can find. And we already found some from some hunters. We were actually up here scouting for trash 2 weeks ago. There's more, so that's great. We are gonna be gathering all the trash up in our trucks. We're gonna collate it all and take it to a local landfill. So leave a comment below to see how much trash we removed today. And if you are close, you win some sort of a prize. No, you don't, actually. And stay tuned to the end of the video because we're gonna be announcing a cash donation to a local charity that we're gonna be doing this year. I'm really excited about it. And last thing before we get started with this trash right here is I am dedicating this video to my awesome grandmother, Dolores Cole, who passed away after 90 awesome years a month ago. And this video is for her. Let's go. Let's start. Let's go, guys. Yeah.
Right. Oh, that's very good. That's great. That's great footage.
Yeah. Do I look cool?
Yeah, you look amazing. Keep that one.
Yeah, I probably bought too many trash bags if we fill all of those. Yeah. All right, 1 spot down, probably more than another spot to go.
110,000 more acres.
How do you like the Tacoma?
Oh, I really like it.
Too low to the ground for it right now.
Yeah.
We'll see to that. There's trash again.
So again. For all of us. Oh,
Yeah. Keystone and Bush. The oh, Modelo. I drink Modelo. Come on, you guys.
Oh, you do? Do you shoot too?
Sometimes.
What'd you find? Treasure.
Well, we've got some dead bodies and some ropes, so nothing to see here. Let's go.
What are you filling me for?
You're doing cool stuff.
Yeah.
Fiberglass.
Get the race in the trash.
What'd you get? What is it?
Beer can.
Let me see. Oh, okay.
Gentlemen, why do you think people litter?
Because their mom didn't hug them enough as a child.
Oh. Either that or too much. I'm gonna get it. Oh, nice job.
What do you think, Nate? About 35 miles an hour sound good? Well, you know, I had to say double it. See what that little drone can do?
You can do 40.
I was gonna get the blue thing. I used my drone to find it. I used my evil robot to find this. Yeah, there we go. Oh, and shout out to Nate from AEV. He got us all AEV work gloves for today, so thanks, Nate.
We'd need those gloves because the next batch of trash we found was gross.
Oh, we got a lot of trash. We got a reindeer, you guys.
Yeah.
Oh, fun.
There's some stuff here.
Is there a head?
I don't know.
Oh, there might be a head.
Might be a head.
Great. Somebody came out here and dumped some reindeer and some adult diapers. We're gonna blur it. We're gonna blur it. You having a good day? Chris, that's my good shovel, dude.
Yeah, it was your good shovel. I'm like a little Christmas spirit.
It's garbage day. If you know, you know.
Garbage day! Huh? No!
Trail cleanup days are good. You know, you could spend the whole time, we could spend this whole video, I don't know, Jason's editing it, so maybe you will, but you could spend the whole video ragging on people for sucking.
John Gonzalez. You left your respiratory specimen paperwork. So it's gonna be at the dump.
But going out and doing something good is good for the area. It's good for our access. It's good for all that stuff. But it also just makes you feel good. Put good out there is what I'm saying.
Time to take a quick break from the mission to do some hill climbs.
Keep giving it the beans, don't stop. There you go, keep giving it. There you go, you got it. And keep going, you're almost there. We're up!
Yeah, a little bit keep up there.
Believe in yourself, Chris! Yeah!
I think I got a little bit of wheel speed on that. Nice job. Oh, thanks, bud.
My stretch goal with this, Chris, is to have my dad kind of get the bug a little bit. Get his,
I mean, he's already got the vehicle.
he's got a great 4Runner. He just doesn't like to get it dirty, so I'm just trying to break through that wall.
Yeah, this is what we do. We bring our friends with us. We get them addicted.
Yes,
It's a tried and true method.
it has worked.
We trekked onward, vanquishing debris that lay before us, until we came upon the motherlode.
Oh my goodness. Okay, we've got a gold mine.
Oh, gross!
Thumbs up, guys.
Alma.
With daylight running low, we committed to cleaning every piece of trash from this area. This required us changing our plans and retrieving Dad's dump trailer. Can we finish the job and make it to the landfill before it closes? Cue the montage.
Here they come. Keep coming. Don't drop it. I think that one has the diapers.
Oh,
I think that's the one.
no, it's not. This one's one of them. That right up.
And we are done. How much is all of this trash gonna weigh? Let's find out. There you go. Yeah. Half a ton, okay. All right, 1,080 pounds, ladies and gentlemen. All right, guys, do me a favor. Watch the video that I published on Thanksgiving last year. It's kind of like this one, but 100% less fun. But it actually tells an important story about why I do my channel and how I made it through some pretty tough times. So, with that out of the way, we are giving $2,000 to the Sela Nat Cheese Food Bank this year, and we're doing that because of all of you who watch this channel and enjoy it and support it by clicking play and subscribe and all that. It means so much. The Sela Nat Cheese Food Bank obviously feeds thousands of people here in this area of Washington State, and they're trying to raise money to build a new building because they have totally outgrown the space that they're occupying right now. So it means so much to me, and to Chris too, who's holding the camera. For all of you who watch this video, have an awesome holiday season. God bless every single one of you and your families. So until next time, don't forget to yourself.